little fan, they shake hands, they start the race. You're on your way to a funny face. Week 3, a secret little ball, burrows deep, having a ball. In the week 4, a little test, 2 pink lines say you're the best. Oh, belly mama, can you feel the wiggle? A tiny human starting to giggle. From a poppy seed to a little pie, we're building a baby by and by. Week 5, 3 layers, what a crew. Organs come in, how do you do? Week 6, a heartbeat, looked up fast, like a little drummer that's built to last. Week 7, hands and feet appear, and mama's belly's growing too. Week 8, tiny breathing tubes, practicing puffs with tiny booms. Oh, oh, belly mama, can you feel the wiggle? A tiny human starting to giggle. From a poppy seed to a little pie, we're building a baby by and by. Week 9 to 40 and jump and jive. Week 10, a big head, smart alive. Week 11, fingers toe up on. Week 12, sucking thumb all along. Week 30, fingerprints unique and babies being oh so chic. Week 40, practicing a frown, then a smile before the nightgown. Oh, oh, belly Maya, can you feel the wiggle? A tiny human starting to giggle. From a poppy seed to a little pie, we're building a baby by and by. Week 15, legs grow long and quick. Week 16, a glowing mommy trick. Week 17, second practice time. Week 18 is a blue or pink surprise. Week 19, brain gets 5 new senses. Week 20, banana-sized defenses. A uterus or testicles waiting. Your little peanuts is coordinating. Oh, belly mama, can you feel the wiggle? A tiny human starting to giggle. From a poppy seed to a little pie, we're building a baby by and by. Week 21, bone marrow makes blood. Week 22, she hears the third of your heart and your birth. Excuse you, dear. Week 23, red skin, no fear. Week 24, eyebrows, lashes, hair. Week 25, hiccups everywhere. Week 26, brain waves go beep. Eyes open wide, but no color yet to keep. Oh, belly mama, can you feel the wiggle? A tiny human starting to giggle. From a poppy seed to a little pie, we're building a baby by and by. Week 27, hello, it's me. Baby knows your voice. You see, spicy food, he tastes the thrill. Then gets hiccups, what real? Week 28, she starts to dream. Week 29, calcium ice cream. Week 33, pounds and 11 inches. Week 31, light gymnastics. Wednesday, week 32, focusing eyes and hair. Practicing swallowing without a care. Week 33, immune system grows. Skull is squishy, that's how it goes. Week 34, got to keep 'em warm. Week 35, kidneys spice the norm. Week 36, head down, please. 37, full term tea. You're ready, baby. Speak and set the biggest adventure you've ever met. Week 38, that falls off the skin. Week 39, let the games begin. Week 40, 41, not two. Don't you rush, baby knows what to do. Your voice is home, your smell is love. A little blurry, excitable, but hello world, here comes the star. You've built a human. Congrats.